Right-click on any image and select Set as Desktop Background. This will change your default wallpaper. That is how to change wallpaper on laptop. Let me show you how to get premium wallpapers. Do not skip a part. Just like this one and also this. This is the default wallpaper of most laptops. To get a new wallpaper, open your browser. Go to this website Pinterest. Check link in description. On the Pinterest search bar, type a phrase like wallpaper for laptop. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard to search. This will bring a list of premium wallpapers for your laptop. They are all free. When downloading wallpapers for laptop, make sure you download the pictures on landscape and not the portrait ones. Scroll down for more. You can also be specific about the exact wallpaper you want. For example, I can search for a Spider-Man wallpaper. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share video. Join our membership by clicking the Join button below. All here are Spider-Man wallpapers. Select any of your choice. Click the three dotted icons, Download Image. This will download directly to your laptop. You can search for other phrases, like Joker wallpaper etc. Just like before, select any of your choice and download. After download is complete, click on Show in Folder icon. This will take you to your downloaded wallpapers. I had to copy that to my desktop, just for a good view of what I want to show you. Right-click and select Set as Desktop Background. This will change the wallpaper on your computer. That is how you can change wallpapers on your laptop computer. But make sure you are using a wallpaper that will enable you see icons on your desktop clearly. For instance, this one here. You can see how clear this one is unlike the other. We barely see our laptop icons. Let me show you how you can set wallpaper to be on a two-side view just like this. Right-click and click on Personalize. Go below to choose a fit. Here, you can make adjustment to your wallpaper by selecting a fit of your choice. The tile option will give you the two or more sided view. If this video helped you, like, comment, share or subscribe. Also, check description for recommended videos.